Let me show you how to create a Wise jar. Wise jar, also known as savings jar, is a feature that allows you to separate and organize your money within the Wise account. It is designed to help you save money for specific goals or purposes that you might have. In order for you to create a savings account or a jar, you can scroll left and then tap on this plus icon. Now, like you create a currency account, you'll see the option called Open a Jar. Just tap on the jar option and then select a currency that you want to create a jar for. So select a currency for saving, and then you can select different options such as icons, and you can also name this jar. As you can see, this particular jar now has been saved and is going to show you the name that you just saved. And in order to add in some money to this jar, you can just tap on this add button and transfer money to this jar from other currency accounts that you may have. Also, you can convert or move and send this money into other different accounts, whether they be your bank account or different other currency accounts that you might have. The money inside of jars is mainly not used for transfer or card payments. It is only used or spent into your main balance when you really need it. So that's the way that you create a jar for savings inside of Wise. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.